across my channel, welcome and thank you so much for being here. I want to say happy Sunday to each and everyone that is here on my platform. I was doing a live earlier on my laptop, but now I decided to jump over onto the phone because I don't know, when you go live with your laptop or so, you don't get much views. They don't get much views. But when you have the phone a long way like this, you tend to get more views because it's in a short feed. So I'm gonna be going outside. Guys, my eyebrow needs to tame. My eyebrow grow bushy, you know. I'll show you guys. Relax. My, my locks. This is all my locks look. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah, my locks. Guys, I want to give it some more time before my do something there. Get my hair relock. I don't want to relock it. Not as yet. Okay. I want to see. It's just not even an inch good out of growth. So I want it to grow out a little bit more before I actually get it locked. Hope that everything is going good for this Sunday morning. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, welcome, welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Guys, my channel said all the time cool. Oh, Jesus. Girl had to put on her sweater. Girl had to put it on. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome. All right, so I'm gonna go outside. Let me put my phone on this. So, guys, my hook on this. See, this is what I'm gonna be putting my phone on. See, this. I bought it on Shein, and it was very cheap and affordable. It's cheap and affordable. All right, so let's go outside. See, ice cream should start so early. So, all right, so guys, this would really. All right, coconut tree. Everyone coconut tree. Welcome, my beautiful peeps. All right, so we have pepper on the tree. I pick some this morning, but I'm leaving some to get more matured. I want it to be more bigger. So there you go. Okay. And the beef time coming on really good. See? The beef time get big. This is it. This is the beef time. It's oregano is the correct name for it, but here we call it beef time. And guys, my tell us say, your hands have to be clean, your heart have to be clean for things to actually mature. You see, if your hand and your heart not clean, oh God, no matter where you plant, it's not gonna come. It's not going to come. I just one big pepper, you know. Oh, see, yes. Look at this, guys. See, I'm gonna come out of the sun a little bit. You see the size of this? This is big. More pepper up on the tree now, but I want them to be more mature before I want to get bigger than this, or at least ripe on the tree. Cause I picked few this morning. I will still have a few on the tree. Cause look at this one. I didn't even see this one this morning. I didn't see this one, but I'm gonna leave it on the tree so it can stay there and get more mature. I get one more. Okay. Welcome everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. How are you guys doing? Happy Sunday to each and every one that is here. That is here. Happy Sunday, you all. Alright. Makala. People. The time cool. It's cool. Uh-oh. The inner beauty. Beauty presence. Okay, so for this cat here, I tell the guys, oh, I want cats. Make sure, him. Because this cat here, him no left my foot. Who want him? You don't want him? And look at him. Like him knows me every day. So him no want look up. Alright. Let me start the video. That cat here smart. I must say he's a smart little cat. You see, if I go out, me and my husband go out and come back, he might come greet us like he's a human. If I go away, cause the other day I went away for a while, And when I come back, the puss come and the puss a rub up like the puss a say, I'll whip by you there. Welcome everyone, like and share the stream, guys. Like up the stream as you come on in. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. Guys, let's say time cool. When I say cool, it really and truly cool. It's cool. Wait. Anyway. Welcome. Welcome. No, sir. Oh, me, I answer. Guys, my dear, so I'm feeling really cold. Happy Sunday, Olivia. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here, bro. But I do something there. But I try to go live. Thanks. But I try go live from notebook. I trust that all is well with you. Yeah, I'm good. But I try go live on the notebook here. I meant to say, when I go live on notebook, I realize that you don't get much views if your device turn like sideways like this. But when you turn it like this, you tend to get more views because YouTube push it in a short feed and something. Some of the year I try work on my channel. Just went for a walk. I post one video over on my main channel with me and my husband this morning. I went for a walk. My channel was like a show no what he's doing. So I am married to a rest. So now when you yeah, vertical is better. Yeah, you get more views and stuff. So guys, here's my husband and he little cat. See little cat? He flakawa. Respect to the people have respect to you. So say hello.
Hello, bless up on yourself. Yeah.
Guys, me tell say me love media, but my husband I love the media, you know. Him not love the media. And me I try bring him in at the media thing. Okay, you know, him a rasta and he make me like me here, guys. So and there I do some work. Oliver say salute. Right, so them there mix up, guys. They will mix up cement and something. So hopefully and so forth. I'm gonna see more video, especially on my main channel. Gonna see more video with me and him. Wanna do some like outdoor cooking. I try bring him in a vlogging business. I may want to teach him to edit. So that means if I'm not able to edit a video, he can edit the video for me. Cause me not like edit it one bit, you know. Oh, my showing on pepper tree, guys. I say I get pepper off this tree this morning. This is the tree that I planted. Cooking adventure. Yeah, we wanna do some like river vlogs because I used to do it when me did just start up my channel, you know. And me did take my channel in a put it in a mix up vlog and then me take it out back because me realize you don't get much sponsored when you have your channel in a mix up and something. Yeah, so I'm gonna teach him for edit. And guys, I say if you don't want to get like free products and stuff from companies, ensure that put our email in our description of video where companies can reach out to because a good while now, I'm not really get no free products, but most of the things that I use and have, me get from Amazon. Me get a tablet, a 10-inch tablet from Amazon, and so forth. So I see the pepper them on the tree. There you go. I want to hear reach at church. So guys, me tell you something. Me not being a gatekeeper. Yes, if you want free products, purchase something from Amazon, do a review on it. I just when you do a review on it and something, look for the name of the company where you buy from Amazon. Look for it on Instagram. And you go send them a message. And you go let them know that you're an upcoming influencer, or you can say Amazon reviewer, and afterwards them are gonna start working with you. Them are gonna send you products and stuff. It can be anything. They give with all clothes me get, so me get everything for review on my channel. And some of the company will pay you like cash. Will pay you cash like vitamins and stuff like that. I'm gonna show you something. Oh, my cool. Right, you see that tablet here? This is what I got this free. And this is a 10-inch tablet, but I don't know what happened to it. It just stopped charging or something. But you see this is good. It's a good tablet because let me take it out of the case and show you. It's brand new, same way. I'm ready for the carry it in a Linstead to go get it fixed. I'm going to take the case here. Big. I get a lot of free products from Amazon. All you do, you put, when them ask where you come from, in the US. See this tablet? Get this from Amazon for review. I have the video on my main channel. What I get for, so I don't know, it just stopped charging, so it never get it fixed. Carry going to Linstead and see what can be done to it. I'm gonna show you something more. I have more products now. I get like eye vitamin and so forth. Wait, let's see if I find it. Oh, I get like these vitamins. I was paid $100 just to take them, to do a review on it. $100 them pay me, and that come through my PayPal. So there are things where the people might be gatekeeper on YouTube. They don't want to let in people on the things them. But let me tell you something. Go on Amazon, purchase anything where you ever purchased before in the last 3 months or so. Do a review on it When you do a review on it, you look for the company on Instagram and message them. You send them a message. It can be hi, so forth. You're gonna explain what your channel is about, and you're gonna let them know you're a upcoming reviewer. And when you do that, they're gonna ask you for to show them what your review, your last review. So the review normally take 7 days if you go through on Amazon when I do a review about a product. So when it come live, when the product goes live, where your review go live, then you go screenshot that. And any company ask you for that, because guess what? So when you work with one Chinese company, they're gonna put you on to another Chinese company, because I have people right now where I message me same way. I have even here that we get from Chinese vendors. Hold on, my gosh. I'm talking good quality here. I have here with, I think I would have to build a new channel for that. You don't have to build a new channel for that. You don't have to. But you can go ahead and create a new channel. So if you them give you cooking products, so pot and all these things, and make sure that area. And this is a 28-inch human hair, fully lace wig, and I got it. Reaction channel, too bad. Oh, create a new channel then, and you can do that. I can also help you along the journey. Can give you companies that I work along with before. I soon start to back some review, I soon start to back some review and stuff like that. But it's very easy because you get company where I pay you cash, and you getting the products. You get, oh my duty. You get even toys. Me talk like adult toys and all of them someday. Them one day me sell them one day. I only have like one meal toy that left back. Where am I put it? Oh, I almost forgot for sure. You see this? This is a neck fan. I got it free. It won't charge. Oh, this it's working. I got this free. You put it over your neck like this and it blow the cool breeze. I got it to do a promotion on. I did the promotion, and anything they send you for the promotion pan and you do them promotion, you get to keep it. Either you want to sell it and make back our money. But and I also, this is a VBT boob tape where for the girlies them and stuff, you get these nipple covers that you place over your nipple. You use a tape like to hold it up so you don't have to wear a brassiere. And these are some products where this company pay me $100 just for put on them product. So you can get up to phone case, you can get up to phone and so forth. All you do when them send you the products, do them review fast and quick, send it back, upload it to your channel, you go copy the link and you go send it to them, and you go send when them offer you if they're gonna pay you cash, raw cash, you go send them your PayPal information. So when you send them your PayPal information, you get your money the same God Almighty day when you do them video and you post it up. So I'm not being a gatekeeper. I am not gonna be no gatekeeper. May look for there's something there. I don't know where I put it because my for somebody the other day. Can't move on for them. I don't know if my husband dash away, no, cause him no want them sit there. Yeah. I don't know when do it. Oh, you see this trimmer as well. This trimmer, I got this from a company. I gave my husband this one. I did a review on it, and then I give it to him. So they have some nice, when I say nice quality things on Amazon where you can get and something. And you not pay no money out of your pocket. You get for review them. They send you the cash to buy it through PayPal, and you do a review upon it. When you do a review upon it, you can just take it and sell it back, and you can make a money. So that's what I do with most of my products them when I get and so forth. Because B, what me do? Where you do with something there? It time when me that tell us me that go give such man. Come here look feet at me not see.
Just some man, I did some.
Me need to find
Looking and reading. Okay.
So
Look up the side of the box to do us. In a box. Look in the box.
oh my fine. So as much use it me have when I wear it. Alright, see here. Alright. Use your imagination and you will know exactly what is this. This is a male toy. You press the button right here, so. And I don't know if you can see. See the light inside? So this it want to charge though, but it's working. One taxi man is saying they want this, but make sure they give him when they do the review. But my husband one is in a house. Me get I something where they say for massage your body, but that look like that look like a figure rub down, figure buff down care. But as I said, they give good products though, I'm not lie. They do give good products and so forth. I couldn't review that. I did. No, you wouldn't take this to the review, no. I did me just open it and show it and talk about it, and that's it. But them did that sell me get even rose. I never take none of the other one them because I'm not gonna show that on my channel. I'm not gonna show that on my YouTube channel, none at all. Well, I will show it on Instagram, but nowhere else I'm not gonna show that the one day. But I tell you, say, the products them are really good. If you scroll go down in my main channel, you will see the things that want me review, the clothes them, the pills, the boob tape, and something when I do review upon. And I'm not lie, for somebody who is not working and you get products for review and you get paid for do it at the same time, and you get wigs, you don't have to put the wig them on your head, or you don't have to. All you can do is just talk about the wigs them and take them and sell them, because you get a wig, a human hair wig for all $100, $200 and so forth. What I do? I get like human hair Brazilian. YouTube is a joy, and a business. Yes. So when we do, I sell back my products them once me take out the wig and me talk about it or something, I sell it back. Any products that I get and I don't want to keep it, so you still okay. Yeah, I sell clothes like in a Spanish Town and downtown, and also in a Wuchi, Portland. Everywhere I go sell clothes. My husband go sell clothes because in born and grow over here, so I'm a country girl. So, but everything when I get, I sell them back because I'm not gonna keep some of the things them. And worse, I not wear wig right about now. I'm located in St. Catherine, Linstead, St. Catherine. So, but I have my a company message me want to give me a blender, but I'm not ready to collect that one day because I have to find one shipping company that charge a fear, because some of these shipping company and so forth, when you get something like reach 100 US dollar, they want to charge you a arm and a leg, and with that juice a year what the company offer me to do the video on, you don't have to cut up the fruits none at all. If say yeah, put it for juice it, what it do, you can put it in a whole apple, you don't have to cut it, and it juice it send the trash one direction and the juice come out the other direction. So I have but yeah, it is powerful, but I need a good shipping company because I was using one in Linstead. I'm not gonna say them, me ship with them before, and me get one earring for promote. With the earring it come with like six different type of earring, and I did not get the earring, and up to the day they can't tell me where the earring go, and I that the company they don't want to work with me now because me never get the earring that some could have put it in my ears or something for do them review how them want it and so forth. Nothing but them take it. You understand? So we can't manage them company over here. I can't manage them honestly. I may say, when me realize when I take the product and I may go home and I look for the earring, me can't find the earring them. Me can't go tell the company so me can't find it, because it show that it was delivered to the shipping company that me use. So me have to try find a different one when me trust. I will be when me go buy some products from Amazon, because even Shein have a affiliate. You see them affiliate thing? You can just type in a Google affiliate and program, and you can sign up with them. You get even over DH Gate or something. DH Gate is an affiliated company, right? Then give away free stuff. Make get a bag, a bunch of earphone, and we make a good quality earphone. These are the noise cancellation earphone. See the earbuds. When you put it in your ears and something, wouldn't advise you to walk with it in your ears on the road, because you're not gonna hear nothing, because it literally cancel the noise. I got 3 or 4 of these. One were me. I gave my husband one, and I gave his friend one, and my one last. So this is his one. But otherwise, they have some nice things where people don't really want to talk the things them what they can get from Amazon free of cost. And ensure when time you do a video, put an email address, because enough of the company now, they are looking for persons to review them product. And when you put your email address in your description of your video and so forth, Because if you're looking at this, you see this live stream, you see that this see email where companies can email me and stuff like that. So but trust me, right now they are looking for people to do review on their products. And you can get furniture, you can get anything. But guess what? You see, if you collect the furniture out here for the furniture to ship here in Jamaica, that gonna cost you an arm and a leg. So what I take stuff that I know say we come to maybe one 5 pound or something. I know say they not gonna cost me a lot for clear it, because I'm not gonna take up my big expense for myself. You understand? Because some of them they only give you the production review, and some will pay you cash, some not gonna pay you cash. But it's a good thing, not gonna lie, and it's worthwhile because hey, you're getting stuff where you don't really want, and it's free. So why not take it? Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this stream. Make a look about something for me husband get to eat. You know them I work right about now, so make a look about something. And it's best to use a email that isn't joined to your channel. Yeah, I have a business email in a joint to my channel, none at all, because I not trust them Chinese people. I not trust them when it comes to, because them are going to send you a link where you have to click on if you go over Amazon, if you go look on them product. So I created a separate email address, something that is not connected to my channel, not one bit. Because I hear people lose them channel and stuff like that. I don't know if I true the way that them lose them channel or whatever the case is, but I don't want to experience that. So what I did, I create a different email address that that persons who want to contact me for me to do a review for them, for me to do any form of business for them, that email they get. Because trust me, them general bad. They are general, but you'll definitely find some good ones. You have some good ones there that will send you. You see, once you're honest with them, you get them for work with. I think you are the second person that tell me to do that email thing. Yes, you definitely need to do it, because you see with that email thing, company are gonna reach out to you once them realize that you have a email for them to reach out. Them are gonna reach out. Them not gonna come to you and comment in your comment section. No, them not gonna do that. You see, if them realize that you are doing like the type of vlogs and stuff where them would really want you. All if you not do the type of vlog where them want, them willing to push on products by you because them just want it to be reviewed either on Amazon, either upon them want you post a video either on Instagram, either on TikTok, either on YouTube. It's your choice where you want to post it. So I have a TikTok page, same name that I use on YouTube is the same name I use over on TikTok. So when them reach out to me take anything them I give me, because guess what? Me know me can sell it back and me can make a money off of it. Because me get our clothes where me sell them back. Me sell them back. Me get dress and then something. And I'm not really a dress person. Me like my pants. Because me can jump any fence with in the pants. I don't want a bag of skirt if me for run, me can't run and then something there. What's me living out here? What's me living in ghetto? Me have to be flexible. But trust me, go ahead and create an email address and put it in your description of your video them. If you purchase anything from Amazon since here, do a review on it, give them a 5-star review, because the Amazon company, then when them reach out to you, them gonna want you to give them like a 5-star review or something, and them gonna want to see it. Let me see if I have Amazon for this. Hold on. May I try going at the phone here. As me know the iPhone here, I give me a warm time. Um, all right, your storefront. So I have a Amazon storefront where all of the products them when I ever get, all of the products them that I get when I do review upon and stuff like that. From eye patch to face cream, wigs, clip on, dress. Me get body wax. Me sell them because me not put no hot wax for my skin. Get eyelash and all the whole nine works. So me get them, me sell them. And you can able to make a money. Otherwise from you waiting to get a YouTube pay, and that if you can able to do something there, because the company them normally up like in a the like from 6 to 10 in the night. So those are the time when me take would I get we get the email companies and stuff like that. Because even this bag, I love the bag here so much. I got this from a company to review. Let me see that shirt. That can't come off. A style. So even this, me get this to review. That's something. I didn't know about it. It's not bad. Oh. Feel me when I have none on that. Them big door. I know you had me with them there. My yard. What's this? Mosquito. Oh, Moscow. Polo. But guys, trust me. Go ahead and create email address so that company can reach out to you. We're gonna put on here one now. Oh, guys, mega industry, mega go up on the road to get some stuff. But I'll definitely catch you guys in our next live stream. Anything me get we are free. Me gonna come over upon my YouTube channel, can tell you about it. Me not being a gatekeeper. One hand wash the other. So I'll definitely see you guys. Take care.